Hello everyone, welcome back to English with Panah. Have you ever struggled with saying dates in English? First, second, third. It can get confusing, but don't worry, today we're breaking it all down in the simplest way possible. We'll cover how to pronounce ordinal numbers correctly, how to say dates like a native, and the most common mistakes learners make. So, whether you're booking a flight, making an appointment, or just telling someone your birthday, this lesson will help you sound natural and confident. Ready? Let's get started. Did you know there are two types of numbers in English? Cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. Cardinal numbers tell us quantity. We use them for counting, like 1, 2, 3. For example, I have 3 books. We use cardinal numbers here. While ordinal numbers show position, like first, second, third. For example, this is my second lesson, or my birthday is on the 5th of July. Unit 8, Part B. Ordinal numbers and dates. In the previous lesson, we talked about days, seasons, and dates. I put the link. You can check it later. The ordinal indicator ST, ND, RD, and TH appears above the numbers. Like first, the last 2 letters ST come above the number 1. Second, the last 2 letters ND come above the number 2. Third, the last 2 letters RD come above number 3. Third, numbers after fourth usually take TH at the top. Fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, not 20, okay? Or 20, 20th, or 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 30th, 31st, 40th, 50th, 60th, 70th, 80th, 90th, 100th. Okay, let's go to the spotlight part. Saying and writing dates and years. We can write the date like this. 10 March, which is common in American English, and 10th March, which is common in Britain English. Or March 10th. When writing dates in English, the day is placed between the months and the year. In American, first we write months, then day, and then year. So, in the left place, months, in the right place, year, and in the between, day. In Britain, first we write day, then months, and then year. So, the day in the left side, the year in the right side, and the month is in between them. For example, in American we say April 5, 2025. But in Britain we say 5 April 2025. For example, here it is talking about the 10th March or March 10th of 2007. We can ask about date like this. What's the date today? We start with it's March the 10th, or it's the 10th of March. So it's plus months plus the plus ordinal number, or it's plus the plus ordinal number plus of plus months. In English, years are usually read in 2 parts. For example, this number is read as 1995 or this year, 2020. We use O when the third digit of the year is 0, like in this year, 1905. Years that end in double zeros are typically pronounced using 100. For example, this one, 1900, or 1800, 1700. When pronouncing years between 2000 and 2009, we say the full number, like 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009. Years from 2010 onward follow both styles. For example, this year, 2023 or 2023. Both of them are right. Okay, let's get into practices. Number 5. Complete the words. Pause the video, write your answers, and then check them. Number 6. Answer the questions below, then practice saying the dates you wrote. Pause the video, write your answers, and then check them. Number 7. Write the dates, years as we say them. Pause the video, write your answers, and then check them. Alright, now you know how to use ordinal numbers and say dates correctly. Next time you talk about your birthday, an event, or even history, remember these tips. Keep practicing and soon it'll feel completely natural. If you found this lesson helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more. And don't forget, drop an example sentence using ordinal numbers in the comments below. I'll be checking them. See you in the next lesson. Bye!